Okay, we're rolling. We've got our patient Leo the Lion. Leo, how you doing, my friend?
So good.
You're doing awesome, huh? It's Friday afternoon. He's been looking forward to this. Got the Gumby Gene helping out.
Hey, y'all.
And we're going to take a little cyst. You got a cyst at the back of your neck here, right?
Yes, sir.
How long you had it there?
I think probably around a year.
About a year? How long has it been bothering you?
A couple weeks.
A couple of weeks. Has it ever drained or anything like that?
It stayed small for a long time and then just swelled up on me.
We can really feel it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, you can feel it when I do that. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to put a little betadine on here. We've got this mostly taped off, and this will be fine. But what we're going to do is we're going to numb this up, make a little incision, take this cyst out, throw in some stitches, and send you out to have fun for the weekend. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
I made that sound real good, didn't I, Coachine? Well, hopefully it will be pretty good like that. All right, and you're okay if we video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first part's the hardest part when we have to do the numbing here, okay? So you're going to feel a little cold spray. Gumby Gene's going to spray. See a little white spot right there? There we go. And then he's going to feel...
Stick, sting, and a burn.
Stick, sting, and a burn. There it comes. This is the worst part. This is 1% lidocaine with epi. Yep.
Yes.
Buffered. So now we're going to give you a few minutes to let that anesthesia really do its job. All right?
Alrighty.
Be back with you in a moment. All right, folks, we're back with Leo the Lion. Leo, how you feeling over here, my friend?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay. We're about to make the first incision. Oh,
This is a newer one.
it's a pretty looking
She
little.
wanted to see how you like those.
Yeah. You can feel a little bit of pressure, but you shouldn't feel any sharp pain, okay?
Okay.
If you do, you tell me. Little pressure is okay. Sharp pain is not okay. So we're just making an incision in the skin right now. 15 blade. Yeah, we do have a little bit of special there. We're going to go ahead and take a culture. Send that out.
They need.
I'm just going to need to do a little squeeze here is what I'm going to need to do and kind of get some of this fun stuff out. Good. So it was very wet. Some of that we injected in. Some of that was the fluid that from the anesthesia that we injected in there, but that creamy yellow color, that was already there. So that's probably why it was hurting. It was holding fluid or building up fluid. So what we're going to need now, Gumby Gene, are the hemostats, please. Thank you. Open that up a little bit. You feeling anything, bud?
Just pressure.
Have a cotton-tipped applicator, please, ma'am. Yeah, this actually goes pretty deep. You feeling any pain?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit of discomfort? Let me have the rest of that numbing medicine, please, ma'am. Thank you. Wow, she is on top of the game. So we're just looking for sac. This is not a very old cyst, so the sac's going to be a lot thinner, probably a lot easier to remove, but not quite as satisfying from the video standpoint because usually we like to see a pretty pearly sac come out. But when they're newer like this, they don't always come out so smoothly. They come out in little pieces. Not as painful this time, right? Yeah, numbing medicine worked. All right. Give it another little push here, see if anything comes up. Yeah, there's a little more in there. So I'm worried about the depth of this. The fact that it goes way in there, my friend. Sometimes it doesn't. So we'll send the culture. We did a little culture, a little wound culture, and we sent that off, and we'll send it and see what comes back as far as if any bacteria grow or not. Just a little flush in there. Thank you, ma'am. And I am ready. Thank you. Find the end here. There we go. And the gauze you'll just leave in and come back on Monday, and then we'll remove the gauze and check it out and repack it, okay?
Okay. Are we doing stitches or no?
No, no stitches with this one. We want to leave this open so it can drain. Did you bring some forceps?
I did.
Okay, that's all right. We don't really need them. So you had a rough weekend. This obviously gave you some pain, right? We're going to pull this out. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it looks pretty rotten. Okay. Did it drain much? Did you have any drainage that showed up on the dressing?
Yeah.
A little bit the first day.
Yeah.
And then a little bit yesterday, I think.
Okay, so we have a little lidocaine we're going to squirt in here so we can numb this up for you, okay? It might sting just a little bit as it goes in. No needle, it's just medicine just kind of going into the opening of the wound.
So how's this process going to be?
Well, we're just going to put some packing in.
Keep on keeping on?
Just keep on keeping on. We're going to let this heal from the bottom up. And we'll keep packing it until this sort of stays open on its own, okay? Once it stays open, then we don't have to keep packing anymore. Maybe by the end of this week. So we'll pack this today and we'll ask you to come back on Wednesday morning. We're back with Leo the Lion. Leo, my friend, how you doing, bud?
Pretty good.
You're over all this, aren't you?
Yes.
You've had enough of it. We got Gumby Jean.
Hey guys, I'm
Got
on
a
the
smile
camera.
there. There you are. And we got Linda.
Hi.
Okay, so Linda is a brand new certified practicing nurse practitioner, and we're going to have her repack this. So we'll let Gumby Jean going to remove it,
Okay.
and then Linda's going to repack. So
Okay, love it. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
there we go, bud. Okay. So
Sorry.
have we gotten any culture results back yet that we know about?
No.
I have not seen anything yet. Okay, so we'll do another check on that. And we're going to squirt some lidocaine in here, Miss Linda. Do you see what we're doing?
Sorry, it's gonna burn.
Little burn. We're going to squirt a little lidocaine in because we have to repack the wound. It's hard to see. Let me get over here. There we go. Just nice and easy. There we go. She's great. Gumby Jean is awesome.
I've seen this done a few
I
times.
know. So the lidocaine will help the repacking go easier. So we're going to wait just a moment and let that lidocaine work, and then we'll have Linda pack it for you. Okay, bud?
All right.
Just take it easy. We're ready to go. We got Linda now that's going to do our packing. I don't want it. There we go. I want to be sure we can see. You know what I find is easier to do is to use the other end of the cotton tipped applicator. There you go. Just be gentle. She's probably gentler than I am. Right, Leo?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, but we'll see you then.
All right,
First to
man.
get started, it's Leo, Mr. Leo the Lion.
Yes, sir.
You ready to get this out?
Yes, sir.
You know, we got your culture back, and it indeed was infected. You grew out Proteus mirabilis in your culture, and it was sensitive, of course, to the antibiotic I gave you. So we selected correctly from the beginning. So we're going to pull this packing out now, and as long as the wound does a fairly good job of staying open, go ahead whenever you're ready.
All right, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, that actually looks real good to me. I'm gonna get in real close. That wound is nice and clean. And just kind of clean it with a little peroxide. Then we don't have to pack this, okay?
Cool.
So just rinse it out once a day with peroxide, and you're going to be good to go. You won't have to have any more packing. How's that sound?
Yes.
Sounds like a better weekend.
Yeah.
And you don't have to come up here and come see us next week. If you want to come visit, you're welcome.
You can come if you want.
You're welcome, but you don't have to.
I've had a great time with you guys, but
A week's enough, right? Believe it, it was only a week ago that we made the initial incision. All right, so we're just going to put a bandage over this and send you home. And if you have any other further problems or anything, just let us know, okay?
sounds good.
Hey, man, you've been a great sport. Thanks for letting us kind of record your whole event here.
No problem.
Whole event.
The whole event, that's right. The whole infected event. All right, bud, thanks. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. I just got tested today and it was 5.4.
5.4.
And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.